Hi folks, I haven't done many watercolours lately on YouTube, but I've mostly been painting on Patreon, so I've got over 150 videos on there. Alright, now cheap Fabriano paper, just give it a bit of a wet. Alright, and then we'll put a bit of sienna in, just give it a bit of a gentle warm. Still haven't had any snow in London. Those in other parts of UK, but in London we're sort of largely protected from it. That isn't to say we won't get any, but it's pretty miserable day to day. Always give a weather resume, because the weather affects what skies I paint largely, because I look out of my windows and I can see lovely skies. So let's put a bit of blue. And a bit of Payne's grey. Bit of an overcast sky. A little bit of light red, I think, in the bottom of that. Okay, the paper's about 60 odd degrees, probably steeper than that. Not my favourite angle. And we'll take off the bottom. Just take a bit of water out of that sky. It's got a little bit wet, and then we'll put in some of those bluey colours in the background. The brush is split. Bring them together. Just a background, colour, cold colour. Don't know how this is going to dry. Just these pines. Bit of warm in there. Got that blue. And it's just going over into a horizon. The blue and black, or blue and Payne's grey, is a lovely mix. I'll put a few up here. And some greeny deciduous type of, well, not deciduous, but evergreens, I meant to say. So a bit of, my colours are so sloppy. I've left them in a moist tray for a few days, and they've gone really luscious. It's dark in there. Okay, let's get some nicer sort of colours. I'm waiting for my cad yellow to run out because I couldn't get any more when I needed it. Got plenty of colour in here. Right, now we can just lift out a bit with our fingers. Right, a card. Do a Stephen Cronin house, I think, or barn. Let's just clip the paper. Nice and flat, or fairly flat, and we'll just a little settlement there, something. Right, I don't want to leave it alone once you've done it. Okay, now I want to put a path in, but I'm going to use this old inch flat cheap Chinese brush to give a bit of texture. Pathway going in there, nice warm colours, a bit of Payne's grey, some hedgerow type or banks in here. It's a good little brush, isn't it? Bit of nice random stuff here. And then we'll have some going up there. So a bit of red. Got everything else there. Now, nice darks, bit of sienna, bit of blue. Okay, don't know what that's going to be like. Let's put in some got a few cauliflowers there. It's the nature of the beast, I'm afraid. Bit of burnt umber mixed in with the dark colours. It's just I was very excited doing the branches with the hay, provided you get a nice chisel edge on it. See that one dry there. Okay, there's some one in here. Don't want to clash with that. Well, it hasn't that one. Fill in some of that. Okay, thicken that a little bit. Don't want your trees getting thicker as they go up, they won't get any thinner. Brambles, all sorts of stuff in here. Okay. Right, I'm going to dry that now. Should have dried it earlier. So headphones off. Always a problem when you have a few days off watercolouring and you get back to it, getting used to to what it does again. It's always a bit of a challenge. Right, let's get a bit of stipple now, a bit of sienna, bit of yellow, a bit of umber. Just some few leaves left over from autumn. Great brush. I'm going to keep this for my stippling in the future. I'm going to put some shadow in. Just cover up those horrible bits. Right, so where should we have the light coming from? I suppose from there. So we'll mix up a little bit of that blue and umber, I think. Bit reasonable. One coming off stage. Right, okay, that'll do. Put a figure in. Where's my rigger? Because I've lost everything now. I know, lost and found. Quite a right, bit of reddy bluey. Make him a bit bigger. Oops. That'll do. Got to be in scale. Well, I'll put that in a mount. We'll have a look at it. It's a sort of a comeback picture. Not really knowing what to do, but I say just make them up as you go along. Oh, it's a bit cold, isn't it? Cold enough as it is, let's put that one on it. It's too small. Right, put this old one on here. Okay, we'll clip it. And put it in a mount. Alright, okay, now what I want to do is just to lift out a little bit of the roof. Because it's, I over scraped it, so let's just lift it out with a brush. And I reckon we can put a bit of a red roof on the other one. Just so it might just catch a little bit. Yeah. Okay, well that's it. Let's zoom out. Oops. Oh, there we are. A little winter scene to be getting on with. Hope you enjoyed that. We could probably put a few marks where we go. Where it's got a bit too blurry. Don't overdo it. Okay, there we are, 12:30. Thanks for watching, folks. Just a quickie, a comeback. See you soon. Bye bye.